Hello friends, hello viewers. I'm super excited today to give you this information. And guess what? The information is actually about me. And I guess you already know what it looks like every 17th of April. If you're just a new fan or if you just newly joined the Elegant Empire team, I guess this may be a little bit new to you. But for a lot of people, this date is not actually new. It's actually a shutdown every 17th of April in Lekki, Lagos State, Nigeria. And for this year, it's never going to be an exception because I am going to be marking my birthday. Yeah, I feel so excited. I feel so happy that God has actually kept me alive in good health till this day. I am super excited today. All right, so I'm going to be hanging out with you. Yes, you watching me now. I'm going to be hanging out with you, friends, family, fans, well-wishers, and even enemies. I'm going to be hanging out with everybody on Wednesday at the beach. It's my birthday beach party, and I want you to be my guests. Yes. So I'm going to tell you a few reasons you really need to be available with me on Wednesday. I know it's a working day, but I guess if I am important and if it's really important for you to have fun and hang out with people like me, then I believe that you should keep it a date and be available. Wednesday, 17th of April is the date. This coming Wednesday, I want you to be available. And then listen to a few of the reasons you need to be present and physically available on Wednesday. All right, so the first thing we are going to be doing on my birthday is, wow, I'm going to be unveiling myself officially as a music artist. I know some of you don't even know I sing. I kept it to be a shock and a surprise to all of you. All right, so on the 17th of April, which is actually my birthday, I'm going to be unveiling myself as a music artist in the Nigerian music industry. And then I am going to be releasing my EP. All right, so it's going to be a pre-launch listening party of my EP coming this Wednesday, 17th of April. So you are going to be the first set of people that are going to have a listen to my yet to be released EP. Yeah. So, just in case you don't know, I am so loaded to unleash to you very fantastic tracks. I have a packed load of amazing tracks for your listening pleasure. All right, so my EP pre-launch is going to be happening on the 17th of April. So come and have fun and listen to good music. All right, so the second thing that will be happening is what we call freestyle challenge. All right, so if you're an artist, you would like to freestyle to thousands of people, viewers, audiences that would be available on my birthday, I guess it's time for you to be available. If you're not even an artist and you like music, you like to rap, you like to sing, you like to do anything, you are going to have the fun of your life because you are going to come on stage to freestyle. So the freestyle challenge is not exclusive for music artists. No, it's not exclusive for music artists. It's exclusively for everybody. Every guest that I'm going to be having on my birthday is going to be doing a freestyle challenge. Whatever song you love, they're going to step on the stage and sing that out, and the audience will cheer you. It's going to be a fun time. Trust me. So guys, the third thing that will be happening on my birthday is fun and games. All right, so we're going to be playing a lot of crazy games, from truth or dare to basically a lot more crazy fun games that you will have the best time of your life at my beach party. All right, so the fourth thing that will be happening is football match. All right, let me tell you how this is important to you. A lot of you, especially Lagosians, are so busy with work. Every day you sit at the desk at your office and you work. In fact, some of you are so lazy that from your house to your gate you take a bike and you refuse to stroll and give your body physical warm-up and exercises that your body actually needs. So I think it's high time for you to come to my beach party with a spare shot, because everybody are going to be playing football. So it's going to be a football match with me and my guests. All right, so if you're female and you love to play, come around. You're going to play football on the beach that day. If you're male and you love to play and have fun, come around. You're going to so have fun and play football match with me, your celebrant. All right, so it's going to be a crazy moment where we are going to play a lot, have a lot of fun, and you are sure going to have the best time of your life at the beach. Elegant. Lastly, and very importantly, this is exclusively for all singles. All right, so if you're single and you're searching, or you're single and just ready to mingle, you're not really ready for anything serious, you just want to mingle, then come to my birthday party, because we are going to do matchmaking. There is no single that will come to my birthday and will not go home with a partner. Yeah, did you hear me well? Yeah, you heard me. I said, if you're single and you come to my birthday party on Wednesday, you're going home with a lady and you're going home with a guy. That's fun, right? Yes, definitely. It may actually lead to a very successful and glamorous relationship life, but then whatever it leads to, that is on your own decision. But we are sure going to hook you up to a match that will be that kind of person you always desire for. So the last thing we're going to be doing on my birthday is to make sure that every person goes home with a partner. So it's high time for you to break your boredom, break your loneliness, and come to my birthday and go home happy and excited. After all the fun and games and music and crazy stuff, if you're a guy, you're sure going to go home with the lady. And if you're a lady, you're sure going to go home with a guy. All right. So I guess I've been able to whet your appetite enough. So it's high time I relaxed and have you as my guest on Wednesday at the beach. And which of the beach are we talking about? We are talking about Paradise Beach Resort, Ogombo Road, Ajah, Lekki, Lagos State, Nigeria. So just in case you really don't know where this beach is, I think it's high time you sent a message to us on WhatsApp with the number on your screen right now, so we can send you the direction and guide you through to the venue. The time, very importantly, the time is 12 p.m. All right, so from 12 noon on Wednesday, we are all gonna be at the beach. And guess what? It's till mama comes calling. So it's 12 noon till night falls. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's gonna be a time of fun, music, games, and matchmaking. Hook up, yeah, kinda like hook up. So you get hooked up with your dream man, or you get hooked up with your dream woman. So waste no time, contact us and please be my guest. I really would want to see you. And this event is strictly by invitation, so I have to invite you to come. Otherwise, you're going to have some muscular bouncers bouncing you if I did not give you an invite. So send me a message right now and be part of the people I'm going to be expecting at my beach party. Come Wednesday, 17th of April, 2024. All right, so make sure you'll be available, make sure you're present, and come with a gift for me. Yes, very importantly, there is no ticket, there is no gate fee, but I have to invite you, and please don't fail to come with a gift for the celebrant, and that's me. All right, see you when you come around. I remain yours truly, Elegant Akpabio is my name. Have a nice time and peace out. See you on Wednesday.